heartbeats that take the pain away. Underneath the moonlight, shadows sway. Healing hearts, inside the night we stay. Every breath a soothing melody, like a river flowing endlessly. Hold my hand, let's drift through stormy seas. Your touch a cure for all my darkest dreams. Feel the rhythm of our souls align, every note a step in perfect time. Heartbeats sink in this enchanted ride. We're mending hearts with every chime. Stars are winking, pledging love divine. In your eyes a galaxy I find. Every pulse a testament to bind. The wound within now left behind. Echoed sighs beneath the canopy. Nature hums a soft symphony. Every moment whispers tenderly. Healing streams in timeless harmony. Time can't touch the bond we've intertwined. In this dance our spirits are enshrined. Every heartbeat yours and mine combined. Melodies of love in heart and mind. Time can touch the bond we've intertwined. In this dance our spirits are enshrined. Every heartbeat yours and mine combined.